All right, if you need to check the IMEI number on your Motorola phone, easiest way to do this is actually right in the phone app. So you'll go to the phone app, go to your keypad, and type star pound 06 pound, and you'll get a full list of device information, including the IMEI number and a bunch of other numbers related to your phone. Another place you'll find this is in Settings. Go to Settings, and then scroll all the way down to the About Phone section. And under Device Details, you'll have all that info listed there too. Also, if you have a phone that won't turn on and you need to check the number anyway, you can usually find it on the original retail box. Look for the barcode sticker on the side or bottom, and there's a 15-digit number listed there, next to the serial number. And just to be clear, it is different from the serial number. Another place you can find it is on the SIM tray itself. Ejecting the tray reveals the code, engraved in tiny text directly on the tray. And that is how you find the IMEI number on your Motorola. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more useful guides like this.